friends, Meg Thornton here from the Center for Autism and Related Disabilities at UF Gainesville. With the help of some of our amazing student volunteers in the Visual Supports Lab, we now have a stack of basic visual starter kits ready for use. It's no secret that everyone in the card office is a huge fan of visual supports for several reasons. Visuals can provide support in the area of communication, executive functioning, scheduling, and much more. I love the visuals inside of the basic visual starter kit for a few more reasons. They're durable, they travel well, they're super accessible, and they can evolve with learners as skills develop and new challenges arise. I love that these visuals can be tailored to any individual or experience, from complex multi-step work tasks to ordering pizza over the phone for the first time. The Basic Visual Starter Kit offers a small sample of what you might need when first starting to use the visual supports. Our kit includes basic beginning visuals such as stop signs, voice meters, and yes/no cards. It also includes Velcro and resources on how to teach choice making, communication cue cards, and our top 10 tips for using visual supports. Of course, any of the visuals in the kit can be personalized and tailored to fit the exact needs of an individual. If you think it might be something you could benefit from, just reach out and let us know. Also, in the comments below, I'm adding a few resources about visual supports that I use quite often. I'm also including a link to the 26th Annual CARD Conference, which is coming up really soon, where you'll find tons of resources on visual supports and everything else involving the world of autism. Don't forget to like and share this post, and use the comment section to let us know about your favorite visual resources. Have a great day.